Mayor Florido of General Luna, Quezon has played Cupid to employees of the Municipal Hall. He even gave half of his monthly salary to pay for their Valentine leave. Netizens, however, never got the chance to take a peek into his love life until this post came. Thanks to the reply of Gumaca Mayor Letargo. Florido revealed a lost love. The Gumaca Mayor pushed Florido to pursue his forever. The General Luna Mayor, however, didn't give a reply. Instead, Florido had these hugot lines posted on his Facebook wall.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.